What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Totally Tanaya, and I am back with another video. As you can see by the title, I am coming to you guys with a everyday look slash get ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. So first, I'm starting with my hair. As you can see, I'm just trying to get my part right. I was going for a, bun with, the two bangs on the side. Or the two pieces on the side, sorry. Oh my gosh, I am so rough, y'all. I promise I'm not hurting myself. I'm just heavy-handed. And so that's why it looks like I'm being rough. So now I'm just, brushing my hair back. I do not like putting edge control on my hair after I've just washed it. I feel like it defeats the purpose, but that's why, I keep the two pieces on the side to kind of hide my edges a little bit. If you are returning to my channel, you already know that I am relaxed, and so I have not had a relaxer in some months. So, those roots are looking kind of rough. So now that I got my flat iron plugged up, I'm just going to go and try and, comb up my ponytail, get my bun right. I was getting a little frustrated. But it only takes me a couple of tries to get it, just how I want it. There you go, girl. So now that my bun is right, I'm just grabbing my edge control. I'm just grabbing my heat protectant, and going in with that. I did not like the straight look, so I went in for a curl. And then I went in again because I wasn't really satisfied. But again, this is my hair, so I, couldn't really keep going, in with the heat. I don't want to put too much heat on my hair, heat protectant or not. So yeah, I just let them be. I wasn't really satisfied, but, and don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna brush and put some edge control on my beauty beads back there. So now I'm just gonna start, getting into my makeup. I'm starting with my brows, which as you can see, they're pretty thick, pretty full. Don't have to do much, but I just like the way they look when I fill them in. So I'm just going in with my e.l.f. eyebrow brush. And I have their eyebrow gel in the color dark brown, I believe. So I'm starting at my bottom, then my top. And we just lining them up and filling them in like so, like that. And I'm doing the same with the other eye. Uh-oh, I messed up. That's okay though, because my concealer is my best friend, I promise y'all. Look at me trying to do some damage control. So now I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, starting at the bottom. Then the top. Voila, I fixed it. And now I'm getting my beauty blender out of this big old pack that one of my best friends bought me for my birthday. And I'm just going in with that, trying to blend, 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 so that it looks natural as possible. And I do go on my forehead a couple of times, just to kind of, help hide those blemishes. More often than not, y'all, I do my makeup before I do my hair, but I did not want to come on here with my headscarf, so I thought I would do my hair first. Now I'm just going in with a gloss, just to put a little bit of moisture on my lips before I do any lip makeup. And I'm also curling my lashes so that they blend, pretty well with my false lashes once I put them on. You guys, I promise you, this is the hardest part, of my everyday makeup look. Like, I am not a pro at lashes by any means. I'm not a pro at makeup at all. But this is the hardest part for me. I do not know why. Sometimes I have to wipe glue off my eye. Sometimes I just snatch the lashes off, put on mascara, and keep it moving because I do have, decent lashes. I don't have to wear, false lashes. But I do like the way they look nonetheless. So we're going to try it this morning. Say a prayer for me, y'all. So as you can see, I just went in with my tweezers. I did a pretty good job, but now I'm just pressing, them down and making sure that they are glued properly. Trying to get those corners because that is where I have most of my issues with my corners. So now I'm just blowing it, trying to make sure it dries. Not too dry though, because then it won't stick at all. But just dry enough so that glue won't be everywhere. Saying a prayer. This time I went in with my finger because I don't know. This eye usually gives me, trouble. So I went in with my finger and now I'm just fixing it, you know, and then making sure those corners are good. Uh-oh. I almost poked myself in the eye. So now that I have both lashes on, y'all can just see me. I'm kind of cleaning up, getting things back in order. I just hate coming home to, a room full of chaos, makeup, hair stuff everywhere. So I'm just putting things back in place. As well as grabbing lip stuff. And now I am going in with a dark brown lip pencil. Make sure to focus in on those corners of my lips just so it blends better. Then I'm going in with a pink matte. I'm not sure where I got that product from. And now I am going in with my NYX matte lip in the color Fortune Cookie. And then I just go in again with another brown pencil. This one is a little bit wider and even maybe just a tad bit lighter than the previous pencil. So now I'm just letting the matte dry, letting it settle, putting things back again. And now I am going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao!